support team member of Tayftech. Mr. Yunus is our network engineer and Mr. Berat is our general manager. Before performing our test, I will briefly introduce you SpeedUpBOX solutions. SpeedUpBOX is an innovative and high technology running on transport layer. It is positioned on the local network topology between the physical or virtual computer and WAN directed systems such as router, firewall, or modem. It accelerates data traffic in congested wide area networks with bandwidth bottlenecks and preserves the existing bandwidth to the maximum. There are 4 devices on SpeedUpBOX production family. SpeedUp Leader has 1000 TCP sessions capacity and 100 megabits. SpeedUp Pilot has 10,000 TCP sessions capacity and supports 1 gigabit. SpeedUp Captain has 100,000 TCP sessions capacity and supports 1 to 10 gigabit. SpeedUp Maestro has 500 TCP sessions capacity, supports 10 to 40 gigabits. I think it's enough for now. Let's move on to our performance test. In data centers, large data transfers occur between databases or servers for backup or load balancing purposes. For this reason, we have decided to create a big data center scenario today. We want to show you how effective SpeedUps could be on big data centers and data replications. Okay. We will run the test between 2 Linux computers in this environment. We will create a data traffic from sender to destination. We will use the NetApp network simulator to simulate real network conditions. The test program we use is iPerf. It's a tool for network performance measurement and tuning. The data we sent is a 500 megabytes file consisting of different multiple formats such as AVI, CSS, docx, JSON, etc. During this test, data will be sent over iPerf with 5 simultaneous parallel connections. We will start this test with 0 milliseconds latency and no loss. In this test, our aim is to find out the physical network capacity. Are you ready, Mr. Yunus?
Okay.
Okay. Let's start the test, please. You can follow the speed below the tab. Let's wait for a while. Okay, the test is over. You see that sending all the data takes 22 seconds, and it is approximately 945 megabits per second. It means that we cannot exceed this value. Now we will start our test with a delay of 2 milliseconds and a loss of 5,000%. Please wait a little while, my friends preparing the test environment. Are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's start the test, please. You can follow the upload speed below the tab. We will wait a little longer now because of the latency. As I said, SpeedUpBOX is not enabled now. Okay, the test is over. It takes 31 seconds to send all the data, and the speed has dropped to 674 megabits per second. It is almost a 30% speed loss. Now, let's repeat the test by turning on the acceleration feature of SpeedUpBOX. As you see, just one click. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. So we can start the test. We keep all conditions same, and the acceleration feature is on right now. Okay, the test is over. Sending all the data takes 22 seconds, and the speed rate is 944 megabits per second. So it means that we can almost reach the bandwidth capacity. Let's wait a second to yeah. Okay. It's enough, I think. Now we will perform a new test with FileZilla. We will transfer the data as FTP under the same conditions. We will wait a little while. My friend is preparing the test environment. Yeah. We connect to the destination server with FileZilla. Yeah, we are deleting the old file to refresh it. Okay. Now we are dragging and dropping a multi-format 1 GB file. Let's start, please. You can see the upload speed below. Can you show, Mr. Rose? Yeah. It's around 20 megabytes. Let's wait for it till the end. Now the speed is around 18 megabytes. Okay, the test is over now. Sending all the data takes 58 seconds. Okay, 50 seconds. I'll remind them. Now we are turning on the acceleration feature of SpeedUpBOX. Please restart FileZilla to refresh all connections. We are deleting the old file. Okay. And we are starting the file transfer again with the drag and drop method. Okay. Let's check the speed. It's around 110 megabytes per second. Yeah, the test is over. It only takes 10 seconds to send all the data. Yeah, I think it's a really good result. Okay. Now we will perform a test using the real internet environment. The Linux service located here will try to upload to the server about 500 kilometers away. SpeedUpBOX is not included in the first connection. In the second connection, we use SpeedUpBOX and the acceleration feature is on. We will open 50 different download links to simulate the congestion on the remote server. The data we will send is a high-resolution video file. The file size is about 7 and 9 megabytes. We will wait a little now. Mr. Yunus is preparing the test environment. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start the test, please. We have started the test at the same time. As you can see, the speed of the server on the laptop is very slow, while the speed of the server is much higher. On the laptop, transferring speed is in kilobits per second. As seen on the screen, due to the congestion problem in real network conditions, the upload time is getting longer and the throughput is extremely slow. This is because there is a lot of loss in TCP packets. Sender and destination reduce their speeds to reduce these losses and retransmit. On the right tab, the test is over. It takes 39 seconds to send all the data and the average speed is 60 megabits per second. On the left tab, as you see, the data is still transferring. And the transferring speed is in kilobits per second.
Let's finish the test if you want.
Yeah, we can wait. We don't want to bother you. We can finish the test, please. Now we have completed our test. If you have any questions, you can write on YouTube. In the meantime, let me introduce you our administration panel. Okay. SpeedUpBOX is managed from the IP address given to the management port. This is the dashboard interface. In this interface, the operating status of SpeedUpBOX is reported, TCP session numbers, CPU, and memory usage. The rate of traffic passing through the port groups are presented as real-time graphics. This is the settings interface. There are the features of acceleration, power off bypass, power on bypass, and you can do it just one by click. Acceleration is off, turn on, and acceleration is on. No need to configure anything in here. Okay. We can. Could you pass the icon settings or something else? Okay. There is the SpeedUp capital settings layer. We make configuration archive here, backup, restore, delete features. You can see the date, time, zone. Also, traffic analyzer feature is here. Okay. There are the. It is the port group settings interface. We use bridge generally. The Ethernet bridge is established between LAN-in and LAN-out port pairs. Transparent modes. In transparent mode, all TCP traffic directed to the import is forwarded to the internet via output with the acceleration function. On IP filter configuration, only TCP internet traffic of the server defined in the LAN is accelerated. The others are forwarded to the gateway without accelerating. Okay, we can look at icon settings. User accounts are managed here. With administrator authority, all functions can be managed. And with operator authority, you cannot change settings. Okay. In the tools interface, you will ping the IP address you entered for the fourth time. As you see. You can analyze the details, and route table is here also. Okay. Traffic analyzer interface. The operator states are historically reported. The device's CPU and memory usage, TCP session numbers, the speed of traffic passing through the port groups are displayed by filtering according to the date and port. Go on, please. There's a logs interface. Information about the last transaction records of the device is reported on this interface. Logs can be filtered by date or user. License is the interface where you can upload and activate your license, basically. And that's all, I guess. Is there any question on the channel? No? Okay. So, I guess there's no question on the channel, so we have completed our program here. See you on next week with a new topic.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.